I'm by no means like any kind of professional climber. Like I've only ice climbed a couple times. I learned from my buddies. They come up for ice fest all the time.
Yeah.
My friend who I rent from, he's huge into ice climbing, so they got me into it.
So what? Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the roadside park honoring Susan Mortel, and that's because it's the site of the first stop on our trip today to see 4 or 5 waterfalls. I sprained my ankle, so I might not be able to do the hike for the 5th one, but we're going to take a look at Scott Falls. We're going to take a look at Scott Falls and show you folks who don't live here in the area just some of the beautiful things that we have here in the UP. As we just mentioned in the introduction, this is one of 4 or 5 waterfalls we're going to see today. I twisted my ankle, so I might not be able to do all of the hikes today. This is Scott Falls, and it's right along the highway here, M28, almost to Munising. A lot of traffic today. So when I started this YouTube channel, these are the kinds of things that I really wanted to feature. Some of the beautiful natural beauty that we have here in the Upper Peninsula for people who just don't live here. So we're going to shoot a couple minutes of this and just let you enjoy the natural beauty that is Scott Falls. Well, it don't look like we're shooting Munising Falls today. It is closed. So that's that. That's about as close as we're going to get to seeing the actual Munising Falls. Well, we'll try again. We'll try next year. So one of the great things about living here in the Upper Peninsula is literally having this national park in our backyard. This is in Munising in Alger County, where I've been shooting the waterfalls. And two of the waterfalls that are here are inside the Hiawatha National Park, Pictured Rocks National Park. And this wasn't going to be originally part of the video, but I'm here and I'm enjoying the day. And there's no reason for me to run home. I'm already out here. And again, just one of the benefits of living here in the UP. So what we're going to do is probably just include this as bonus footage. We'll come back and shoot Miners Castle and the rest of the Picture Rock National Park on another day. But again, just you can see we're going to shoot some more. This is famous Miners Castle. It used to look a little different. A big chunk of it broke off maybe 4 or 5 years ago. But this is what it looks like now. We'll zoom in on that just for fun, because we can. There used to be a big table, I don't know, behind that, another 15, 25, 30 feet, whatever that is, but it's gone now. Just to show you, this is the hike. Oh, there's my buddy. You're on camera if that's okay.
That's fine.
You'll be YouTube famous. What's that, buddy?
I said you have my consent. You can do whatever the hell you want with your pictures.
Thank you, thank you.
I don't give two darns.
You should be a tour guide. It looks like what, at least 3 people just asked you for advice on where to go. Hey.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
So do you live here in Munising?
I do. I live just outside of town.
Okay. You're a local. What's your name?
Have for about 5 years. My name's Joel.
Joel, I'm Robert Simons. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Your dog's gonna be on YouTube.
Oh, that's Ralph.
Hi, Ralph. Yeah, I went to college at Lake State. I live up here. I live in Marquette.
Oh, cool.
But I'm shooting some YouTube videos for Waterfalls today.
Yeah, nice.
And Munising Falls was wiped out. You probably saw, right, because of the. So I didn't get to.
It's been permanently closed since last fall, and last fall they closed it down, and the whole thing got smashed out, and that thing hadn't been built since the 50s.
So it's lasted 75.
Last spring.
It got wiped out in last spring.
It got wiped out last spring. Everything just got washed away. The walkways, the bridges, everything leading back there, and that was like I said, that was built in the 50s, and they haven't done that since.
Right. Well, we're gonna shoot this one today.
Nice.
I was hoping the color would be a little farther along. It is September 20th. And we are starting to see some color change, but still pretty green. This place is just even better and when we have our fall colors. So I don't know, we might make it back for that. Maybe next year. Just a shot here of the trail. Let's open it up to get a nice shot. And again, we're still running along the edge of that cliff as we climb up right along the face of that formation. Now we're within, I don't know, up there, 25 more feet, I guess. Waterfalls right up ahead.
I'm by no means like any kind of professional climber. Like I've only ice climbed a couple times. I learned from my buddies. They come up for Ice Fest all the time.
Yeah.
My friend who I rent from, he's huge into ice climbing, so they got me into it.
So what time of year do you recommend I come back? December or January?
Best time to ice climb is going to be in February. That's when the ice is the hardest.
Okay.
Most in, but it's
When is Ice Fest? Usually February?
usually February, right around Valentine's Day weekend.
Is this one of the places people set up routes during Ice Fest?
No.
Okay.
But people ice climb all over during Ice Fest, but the actual coordinators of Ice Fest don't set up organized.
It's way down by Sand Point.
Correct. That's
Yeah.
That's where the most of the organized routes and,
Yeah.
and the clinics will be going.
Yep. That's where it's been. All right, Joel, thanks again. I'm going to put in the clip. Hope you enjoyed the video. We saw Scott Falls, Alger Falls, and Potato Patch Falls. My pleasure to bring them to you. Thank you.